guys, this is Brittany from Roll Off Parts, here to give you some trash talk. I'm here to tell you a little bit about the parts we have available that keep your business in motion. We currently manufacture over 50 of our standard products in-house, many of them in stock and ready to ship within 3 business days. We are proud to say that the parts fabricated at our facility are made with high-quality North American steel. When we say made in America, it goes beyond just where our parts are manufactured. We take pride in our deep-rooted commitment to providing American jobs that support our communities. Next month on Trash Talk, we'll give you a tour of our newly designed website, making ordering replacement parts easier than ever.